Hey, how's it going, guys? Doing some work on the full suspension. Here's my mount for the silencer. I did some work on I switched the 415 Chinese chain for a 420 arcade chain. I didn't like the how cheap it was made. It was ready to fall apart. But I got my caliper here, 0. Hang on a second. Get the skinniest part here. 4.5 millimeters. I've got 2 sprockets bolted together so it's thicker, it can handle the 420 chain. I also mounted the sprocket on the outside of the mount for better alignment in the rear. You can see now it lines up perfectly center. It's really low gear. It's 28 in the front, 24 in the back, so it won't have a lot of speed, but it'll be great for starting. The chain, I don't have a master link in the chain either. I eliminated the master link. No weak link. I haven't moved the rim over yet. How I'm going to do this is I'm going to loosen all the spokes on the right hand side, half a turn all the way around every spoke, and then jump over to the left side, tighten all the spokes, half a turn all the way around. I'll start at the valve stem and stop at the valve stem, and then I'll jump back here, do the same thing, loosen all the spokes on this side, and then repeat back and forth until I got the rim back in the center of the opening. Takes about 3 or 4 turns to get the rim back to center. Working nice, no ghost pedaling. The rim is perfectly straight, so I won't have to do any alignment of the rim if I don't make any mistakes loosening and tightening. Talk to you guys later.